I eat an apple every day to stay healthy. The ant carried food back to its nest. The airplane flew across the ocean. She raised her arm to ask a question. The artist painted a beautiful landscape. The zoo has many different animals. Learning the alphabet is the first step in reading. She put on her apron before cooking dinner. I love making guacamole with fresh avocados. The alligator swam in the river. The captain dropped the anchor to stop the boat. The triangle has 3 angles. The archer shot an arrow at the target. He used an axe to chop the tree down. The fresh air felt great on a summer day. The squirrel buried an acorn in the ground. The hikers climbed to the top of the Alp. The acrobat did flips during the circus performance. The adventurer explored the jungle for the first time. We arrived at the airport to catch our flight. My aunt is coming to visit us next weekend. We found old toys in the attic. He sat in the armchair by the window. They decided to adopt a dog from the shelter. I'll ask my teacher for help with the homework. I appreciate your kindness. She arranged the flowers in a vase. You should avoid touching the hot stove. Please attach the paper to the email. We all agreed on the plan for the trip.